son of a bitch! Do what you're here for!
I had the best gunner in the entire 9th Army in that seat. Now I got you. I started this war killing Germans in Africa. Now I'm killing Germans in Germany. I promised my crew a long time ago I'd keep them alive.
Why are you here? He kills you, or you kill him? I need you to perform.
I can't do it!
Yes, you can.
What happened back there? That's every day. Don't get too close to anyone.
You see this right here? That is your heart life. You are going to have one great love in your life.
Secure the crossroads. These troops get by you, we're all dead in the water. All we got is you.
There ain't no crusade together like we have. That's because of him.
You know what's waiting for us. They're coming.
How many?
300 of them. The tank's busted.
We ain't never run before. Why are we gonna run now? I wanna hold this crossroad.
What are you doing?
It's my home.
I'm staying here with you.